Okay, people ask for more information and better shots of the unknown help me out power supply that I have. So this is a video of showing you what I got. I did a little tracing on it, and it is a two output power supply, basically a high voltage transformer and a swinging choke, and a lower voltage transformer and a swinging choke. And that tube is the rectifier for the high voltage. That tube is a rectifier tube for the low voltage. That resistor is a bleeder for the high voltage. The low voltage doesn't have a bleeder or anything on it. And here's the sides. Nothing to see. Nothing to see there. There are some markings that I could see on the one of the transformers, and on top of the chokes. The chokes are the same. That's the marking on the high voltage transformer, 22.1069, and then 138452, and then okay, we're upside down. There we go. That's the markings on both the swinging chokes. If you can't see it, 22.1053, and then that same number again, 138452 on both the swinging chokes. I can't get to the number for the low voltage transformer. It's in between there. Can't get in there to see it. And then that's about it as far as numbers or anything. Underneath is just basically two oil field capacitors. Yeah, trying to flip this thing with one hand. It's got two oil field capacitors, both the same. One for the high voltage, one for the low voltage. It is 8 UFs at 1,000 volts. So even though I keep saying high voltage, it must be less than 1,000 for the high voltage. You know, probably, I don't know, 600-700 range, because you don't max out the capacitance. And underneath the just the wiring to the rectifier tube 1, rectifier tube 2, and that's all there is to this thing, right? I did do some tracing on the voltages, and I kind of marked that on the front here. That rectifier tube is a 5R4. That rectifier tube for the low voltage is a 5V4. And then I traced out the pinouts for the screw terminal. This is 110 AC in common. This is that high voltage transformer has two taps, like maybe you know, 110 120 tap, so you can adjust the voltage. So this is the low voltage AC in for the high voltage transformer. The third one is the high voltage tap for the high voltage transformer, and then this is the single tap, well, you know, for the AC, for the low voltage transformer. So both of them have AC one leg in common here, and then two legs so you can adjust the voltage on the high voltage. One tap for the low voltage, and then over here is the high voltage out and the low voltage out coming here. And again, the high voltage probably runs in the 750 voltage range. Don't know what the low voltage runs on, but it won't be what the high voltage is. And that's it. That's all I know about this thing. Not sure where it's from or where I got it from, but I will say I have over the last year or so bought some boat anchors. I got a Johnson KW, Johnson, you know, desk kilowatt. And what else did I get? I got a Globe King 500, and I got a couple of Johnson Thunderbolt 4-400, And I got a couple other Ford S400, I think no name, not Johnson, amplifiers. So this may have came out of one of them Ford S400. It may be the screen and the bias voltage for it. I don't know for sure, but anyway, still unknown to me. I got too many projects. However, I am slowing down to a crawl on the CV stuff, and I'm getting more into boat anchors and ham and all that other stuff. All right, that's it for this one. Bye.